Guys, today we are going to learn how to make these paper fruits. See, let's get started. Starter supplies, markers. We can use colored markers. We can use crayons and plenty of colorful papers. For making the watermelon, we need these three color paper sheets. One is red, one is light green and dark green. So we are going to first draw, then we are going to cut, and the third part is we are going to color and give the shading. Let's start. I'm going to draw the watermelon, okay? It's a slice of watermelon. So with the pencil I'm going to draw this kind of semicircle, or you can say half circle, okay? See, the first layer is dark green, then the second layer is light green, and the third layer is red. So we are going to cut this first. Now here you can see the second layer. We are going to, we are going to take the size, and then we are going to use this second layer. Let's start drawing the second layer. If it looks difficult for you, so you can draw this, cut out of watermelon, draw it, and then give a curved line. So the second layer is a little bit smaller than the first layer, okay? So see, so I will cut so here you can see this is the first layer, so the second layer will be start from this side, okay? So we are going to cut this part. The down layer which we are removing it, the first layer, okay? So we are going to take the second layer, that is light green. See, so we are going to place it like this, and then we are going to cut the red, okay? Third layer, that is the red layer, that is smaller than the second layer, so we are going to draw or trace the second layer, and then we are going to cut a little bit smaller than this layer. So I have traced this light green layer, I have traced the outline. Now this red layer is smaller than this red. So what we are going to do, I'm going to take, I'm leaving some part of the second layer, and see, this is my third layer, okay? So we are going to cut it. So I am leaving the green part, light green part, and I am only cutting the red part. See, here you can see the first layer, then second, and I am going to place the third layer. So we are going to use the stick glue to fix all these layers. Now it's time to fix all these layers. I'm using this glue. So I'm placing glue at the back side. See, I'm going to fix it from the corners. Second layer, then with this third layer I'm going to use the glue and place it in the center. The first time it will not, you can, if it's difficult for you, so you need some practice. I'm going to cut the excessive part. Okay, see, now it's time to make the seeds. So with the help of black marker, we are going to make some seeds. With the help of black marker, I'm going to make these kinds of drops and fill them. Small drop and fill it with marker. Okay, see, now it's time to give some shading. For the shading we will use a little bit black color here. Here I will use some black to give a little bit real look, okay? And with the finger I'm going to smudge this. Here I will use some I'm using dark green color for this dark green layer, okay, to give a little bit real look or to give some effect. Cover on top. And then with the finger we are going to smudge all of this color. Okay friends, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.